Welcome to the final lecture in our module on unit testing. We've learned how to write, run, and manage tests. The last critical step is documentation. Well-documented tests are just as important as documented production code, ensuring that other developers or your future self understand the test's intent and purpose. 1. Test method naming convention. The most basic form of test documentation is a clear, descriptive method name. The name should read like a sentence describing the exact scenario being tested, the input condition, and the expected outcome. Good naming eliminates ambiguity and allows anyone to instantly grasp the test's objective without reading the code inside the method. 2. Using docstrings for detailed context. For tests involving complex setups or subtle logic, adding a docstring is necessary. The docstring provides a concise summary of the test's specific goal, the preconditions, and any potential side effects. This documentation is crucial when debugging test failures, especially in large code bases. 3. Docstrings in test reports. Docstrings aren't just for reading the source code. Many advanced testing tools, like Nose2 or PyTest, can optionally use the test docstrings to generate highly readable, human-friendly test reports, transforming cryptic test failures into clear, descriptive messages for the entire team. This capability underscores the value of writing good docstrings. To summarize, think of test documentation as code maintenance for your safety net. This concludes our module on unit testing. Our next lecture starts a new and exciting module, 35.01, Introduction to NumberPy. See you there.